All right, guys, let's code some words. So let's look at this first word. That is a really long word. But remember, we can break it apart to make it to where we can read it. And when we code, remember, we always start at the end of the word to see if there's something obvious that's really easy for us to see that we need to code. So what do you see? That's right, we have that suffix ing. So I'm going to box off that suffix ing. And then the rest of the word is a long word. So it's probably going to be more than one syllable, but we can check. So let's find our vowels. Where's my vowels? I've got an A, and then I've got a E. And then I have an R and a V between it, and that's consonant, consonant. So you guys see where you're going to split it? That's right, you're going to split it right between those consonants, okay? So now my first syllable, I have H-A-R. And what do you notice about it? That's right, we talked about this yesterday. That A-R is a letter combination. Remember, it's that R controlled, it's that bossy R. So I'm going to use that arc to connect them together. And it just says R. So I have R, har, very good. And then our next one, I've got my vowel is E. It's in front of an S, which is a consonant, so it's going to be short. So I have vest, vest. So harvest, harvest, very good. Then add the ing suffix, harvesting, very good. Now remember, the ing suffix tells us that it's happening right now. So if I say I'm harvesting something, I'm doing it right now. I haven't done it before, and I'm not going to do it in the future. I'm doing it right now. So harvesting. Then look at this next word. What do you notice? That's right, it's got that apostrophe S, which tells us that something belongs to somebody, okay? And then what do you notice about the rest of the word? It's got something new that we talked about, doesn't it? It has that digraph CH, so I'm going to underline it. And remember, that digraph CH says ch, ch, like cheese. Then what else do I have? Where are my verbs? That's right, I've got an A, I've got an S, and then an E. So this is going to be one of those A consonant E words. So when it's an A consonant E or an A sneaky E word, remember that A is going to be long and that E is going to be silent. So ace, chase. So, and then add the apostrophe S, chases. Very good. So it says harvesting, chases, and then our next word, what do you notice about it? It doesn't have anything at the end that we need to mess with, but where are my vowels? I've got an A and an I right there together, so that's that vowel digraph AI. So I'm going to underline it, and then what do I need to do? AI says A. So that A is long, so I'm going to put the macron on top, and then that I would be silent, so I'm going to cross it off. Very good. So grain, grain. So harvesting chases grain. All right, we have two more words. Are you ready? So let's look down here. What do you notice about this word? How many vowels does it have? Well, it's got a U, but then it also has what at the end? It has a Y, and remember, usually when Y is at the end of the words, it's usually acting as a vowel. So we're going to try it as a vowel and see what happens. Are you ready? Then I've got Z's in between it, which is going to be a consonant, consonant. So where do I need to break apart that word? That's right, I'm going to split my consonants up. So now I've got a vowel in front of a consonant. So this is just like a CVC word. So that U is going to be short. So I have fuzz, fuzz. And then I have a Y at the end of a word, and it's got more than one syllable. So it's a longer word, so it's probably going to say what? It's probably going to say E. That's right. Remember, it says E when it's a longer word. It usually says I when it's a short word like try or my. So I'm going to mark it with a dot because it's a vowel, and I'm going to try it with Z-E, Z. So fuzzy. Very good. If I tried it with an I, it'd be fuzzy, and that didn't make sense, right? So fuzzy. And then what about this next word? What do you notice about that? Remember, we check the end first. That's right, it's got that final syllable, K-L-E. So I'm going to put my bracket up to build my wall. And then what do I know about all my final syllables? I also have to do what? I got to cross off that E because it's silent. So it's going to be cool. So over here, now I just have a CVC word. Okay, so if it's a CVC word, that I is going to be short. That's right, because it's in front of a C, which is a consonant. I've got pick, pickle, pickle. So fuzzy, pickle. All right, let's read them one more time. Harvesting chases grain, fuzzy pickle. All right, guys, awesome job.